Lost your contacts and feeling disconnected? Let's get them back. Accidentally deleted a crucial contact, or is your entire contacts list missing? Don't panic. This tutorial will guide you through restoring your valuable iPhone contacts using a few simple methods. First, the easiest method: checking your iCloud backup. Head into your iPhone settings. Tap on your name or Apple ID at the very top of the settings screen. Then, select iCloud. Under Apps, using iCloud, tap Show All. Find and tap on Contacts. Make sure the toggle switch next to Contacts is turned on. If it was off, turning it on might automatically sync your contacts from iCloud if they were there previously. If that doesn't work, try accessing iCloud.com directly. Open Safari or any web browser and go to iCloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Click on the Contacts icon. In the bottom left corner, click the gear icon. If you have previous iCloud contacts data, you might see an option to restore contacts or view an archive. If available, click Restore Contacts and choose the most recent suitable backup date before your contacts disappeared. Your iPhone will then sync with that iCloud backup, and your contacts should begin to reappear. For more advanced recovery, or if iCloud hasn't helped, consider using reputable third-party data recovery software. These programs scan your iPhone's internal storage for deleted data. Simply connect your iPhone to your computer, run the software, and follow its instructions to scan for and recover your lost contacts. And there you have it. With these methods, you should be able to restore your essential contacts and stay connected. Don't forget to regularly back up your iPhone to prevent future data loss.